Okay, John, I don't think this is right. Look at this. Okay. It's doing this. The rotor, I noticed when I checked the brake, it started wearing unevenly. And look in here. It's been hitting this. One of these moves. This one's jammed. Okay, so I think we got trouble here. Now, as you'd expect, the pads are worn very unevenly. So I need to know what's going on. I know these are like non-serviceable, but I'm pretty sure something's going to have to happen. I don't like that either. That doesn't look like it's supposed to be like that. So anyway, John, I'm going to send this to you now, and I need to be leaving Monday or Tuesday, and I think I might be back to see you.